In this video, I'm going to show you how to build these solid looking floating shelves out of 2x4s and 1x. I decided to make mine 5 inches thick so I could use the full width of the 2x4, which is 3.5 inches, with a 1x on the top and the bottom. But if you want to make them less thick, you can rip down your 2x4s or use 2x2s as well. First, you're going to build the brackets by cutting down 2x4s to the width you want your shelves. I did two 10-foot 2x4s here, and the shorter shelves were 24 inches long. Then I cut a bunch of shorter 2x4s. Mine were 7 inches to make the total depth of the shelves 9.25 inches. I used 2.5-inch self-drilling screws to attach the shorter 2x4s and space them out about 12 inches apart. Then I cut down my 1x10s for the top and bottom of the shelves. Each side is going to be mitered at a 45-degree angle with the miter saw, and then you're going to rip it down at a 45-degree miter on one of the long sides at 9.25 inches wide. Next, you're going to cut down the fronts and sides of the shelves using 1x6s. All 4 sides of the fronts will be cut at a 45-degree miter. And for the side pieces, you will cut one side at a miter on the miter saw and both longer sides on the table saw at a 45-degree miter. Now it's time to put it all together. Hang the 2x4 brackets on the wall using 2 3-inch screws into every stud. Then wrap your 1x's around like a box using wood glue and brad nails, blue tape where needed to hold it in place while the glue dries. The secret to getting your edges closed and looking like a solid box is to use the edge of a screwdriver to smooth it all out and then sand it so it's super smooth and flat. Any areas that are still gapping after that, I like to use the trick where you fill it with wood glue and sand over the top so the sawdust fills it in and sticks to the wet glue. This is a great trick to getting those seams perfect. Stain everything your stain color of choice, and that's it. Let me know if you have any questions, and be sure to check out the full-length video of this room makeover I did for some friends. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.